In this video, I want to talk about how you can make the YouTube screen normal sized on your TV. Now, the way that you can do this is you want to come over here, and the first step is you want to open up a YouTube video. You want to look for a zoom or a screen button. If you see this, just press on it and choose normal or fit. If you don't see this, you want to use your main menu settings. So you want to use your remote and go to the main menu or the settings. Once you're inside of there, you want to look for picture, display, or any sort of screen settings. In there, try and change the aspect ratio. Usually 16:9 or normal will do fine. But if these don't work, just try some other aspect ratios. You can also try and change the picture size to screen fit or to scan. And if you see an overscan setting, just try and turn this off. So these are the ways that you could potentially do this, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton.